Hello students, welcome to the class. I am Yogita. Today our subject is nursing foundation and we are going to discuss about nursing as a profession. Before that, let us see what is nursing. Now, nursing is a unique profession because it addresses the response of individual and family towards health promotion, health maintenance, and health problems. So here, nursing which focus towards promotion of your health, prevent of certain illness, and which help to maintain your good health. For all these reasons, we want nursing. Now, nursing is considered as a profession. Now, what do you mean by this profession? Now, profession is defined as an occupation with ethical components. Why it is defined as a profession? Because profession means it's an occupation which has got its own ethical components. Now, that which is devoted to the promotion of human and social welfare. See, when we say this is profession, nursing is a profession which work for the human and social welfare, which has got its own ethical what is that considerations, ethical laws, ethical code of ethics. We have to behave as per that. Now, what's the characteristics of profession? The characteristic of profession is here mainly a nursing profession which can be utilized in practice as a well defined and well organized way. You are making use of this nursing as a profession where you can provide a best a qualitative nursing care to a patient, one who is in need. A sick or injured person who is badly in need of nursing care, for that person you are rendering the best qualitative nursing services. The profession, it constantly enlarges the body of knowledge. Here you are learned, you are trained, and you are skilled enough to perform the skills, perform the task. That's what called a profession. Now, profession, it applies its body of knowledge in practices. See, whatever you studied a theory, that knowledge you are put into a practice. Your theory knowledge has put into a practice, and practically you are doing it and giving a service to the needy people. Now, profession, it also enters the education of practitioners. That means where you are able to enhance your knowledge, you are able to go for certain training programs, go for some educational package programs, some continuing education services, and you can enhance your level of knowledge. Now, profession, it attracts the individual of its intellectual and personal qualities. It helps to improve yourself. It helps to build yourself, improve your quality so that you will be more perfect in your profession. Now, a member of profession, they has got their own code of ethics. You are performing, you are behaving as per your code of ethics. The way you deal with your patient, the way you deal with your team members, you are practicing, you are maintaining your dignity in your profession. Now, member of these professions are autonomous and self-regulatory. As how I said, myself, I know that I'm not supposed to behave in this way. Like negligence is not entertained, malpractices are not supported. See, I know personally I'm not supposed to do all these things, and I am not doing it. This is what called self-regulatory. I am controlling myself. My behaviors are streamlined. There is no one is there to look at me, no one is there to question me, but still I know my responsibility and I am behaving so because I am well trained in this profession. Then profession develops and evaluates and use theories as a basis for its practice. We are learning different theories and different practices, so which help us to improve our performance, improve our practice level in this profession. Now, member of professions are involved in research work. Like those who belongs to this profession, like nursing profession, they can involve in various kind of research work is conducted. They can contribute their services in research work also. So, this is about nursing as a profession. It's not a simple course, or it's not something very simple, but it is considered as a course, it's considered as a profession, because it has an occupation. Definitely we all are going for a job, we all are doing something, but this is the occupation which has got its code of ethics, certain rules and regulations and responsibilities, where you are regulated with your behavior and with your nature, the way that you're not supposed to cross that and harm anyone, because you are practicing the ethics. Okay, this is all about nursing as a profession. I hope you understood. Thank you.